Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope all you're good. I am Tipu from here and I'm also good. Today we are going to do a new experiment with SIM800L and ESP32. We are continuing this series, number 4 video of this series, and today we are going to connect SIM800L with MQTT using ESP32, and we are using our own broker. If you want to use your own broker, then I give the link in the description. You can follow this link. Today we are going to do just like that. We are set up our modem. You already know that. In loop we are checking our MQTT connection is okay or not, and we are publishing data every 10 seconds. Okay, and we are publishing timestamp. So in the callback function you can send the data or command from the server to the devices. Okay, so we are just turn on and off the LED, built-in LED of ESP32. Okay, you can see this is the breadboard version and this is the PCB version. I just make this PCB because sometimes this board I don't need some wiring, I don't need it. I just create the PCB at home, so I will use it and testing this PCB from now. You can test on breadboard as well, no problem. And you can see this data is this is on and it is sending data to the MQTT server. This is battery part and this is for the serial monitor. Okay, and you can say, okay, let me open the code. This is the code. You're already familiar with this code. We just put the serial, all of this, and I don't go through the code. I will put the link in the description. This is the code and this is the MQTT connect, and we are here MQTT callback. You can see just receive the message and print, and you can see we are using TinyGSM client and PubSubClient. Okay, so you already know my device is running and it is publishing the data from current device ID. This is the random device ID and this is the timestamp. I get the timestamp from NTP server. Okay, and I am using MQTTX. Okay, this is a very good desktop client. One day I will subscribe, make a new video for this, and you can see the data are coming from devices and it will show here. I subscribe with the topic it publishing, and let's say this is my public topic. Just copy the subscribe topic and I will try to send and on. Okay, let's turn on and you can see, wait, let me open if I send off, see the built-in LED is just off. Okay, if I send again on, yeah, this is on. So this is a very simple and powerful, so you can use any of your MQTT devices using GSM and SIM800L. This is a 2G modem, and if you want to 3G 4G modem like latest modem, I have a separated playlist of SIM800L module, so you can use it. Also I have a playlist of Liligo A7670G module. This is also very good, and I suggest if you can skip SIM800L, that will be better because this is a 2G. So our world is changing, so 2G is not longer supported by the cellular company, so they will move to 4G. So I hope we need to move 4G, but 4G module is little bit high price, so that can be considered. But this is SIM800L is power hungry and it's takes some time to connect with network, so that's why. So this is today for, I hope you like it, and SIM800L with ESP32 I will make some more example video, so hope it will help you. Thank you.